Hi everyone, this is Mrs. McGee, and I love math. It's okay if you don't love math. I love it enough for all of us, and I'm here to help you understand it better. Let's get started. Today we're going to solve a multi-step inequality. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. All right, when we solve an inequality, we have less than, greater than, we could have greater than or equal to, and in this case, we have less than or equal to. But when we solve an inequality, we use the same exact steps that we do when we solve an equation. The only difference is at the very end, if we multiply or divide by a negative, we have to flip this symbol. And the reason we change that symbol is because the direction on the number line is changing. Let's go ahead and do our algebraic steps. When you're doing an algebraic equation, you look on the left side and you simplify. So that's what we're going to do first. Only on the left side. And when you simplify, you're just doing all of the math and combining all like terms. No signs are changing until we move it to the other side of the equation or the inequality. So I'm going to distribute here. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 5 is a positive 10. Negative times negative is a positive. Many times students will say, well, that's a minus 5. Yes, minus 5 and negative 5 are exactly the same value. They're the same thing. So I'm still on the left side. The right side isn't changing. I'm still combining like terms. Plus 10 and minus 8 can be combined together. So that's going to give me negative 2x plus 2. Positive 10 minus 8 is positive 2. Now that I've combined the left side, I look to the right side, and there's nothing to combine. It's just a 14. I continue on with my algebraic steps. I want to get minus 2x by itself. I have a plus 2, so I minus 2 to both sides. Negative 2x is less than or equal to 12. 14 minus 2 is 12. Now, I'm looking to get the x by itself. X is being multiplied to negative 2, so I'm going to divide by negative 2. This is where inequalities are different than equations. If you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to change that symbol because it changes directions on the number line. Now, for future reference, it does not matter if the 12 is positive or negative. It only applies to what you're dividing or multiplying by. So let's finish this up. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is a 1x, and then 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. So x is greater than or equal to negative 6. X can be negative 6 or it can be greater than negative 6. And when you plug that back into the equation, every x that's greater than or equal to negative 6 will make this inequality true. Thank you for watching the video. If this was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.